Let's start using +-0 Humidifier version 3. Lift up the water tank to reveal the main steam unit. Twist open the cover of the main unit. Do not do this while the steam heat pan is still hot. Wait until the heat becomes room temperature. This is necessary when you change the water filter or clean the heating pan inside. Let's close the cover for operating the humidifier. When putting the cover back to the unit, pay attention to the positioning arrow to be matched. If you do not have the cover in the right position, the unit will not operate. Let's fill the water tank. Using filtered water or clean water is recommended for easier maintenances. Flip the water tank and place on the flat and stable place. Pay attention not to scratch the surface of the water tank when filling water. Open the lid of the tank and fill the water using the funnel included in the package. Now close the lid and place the water tank on the main unit. Match the two positioning arrows while placing the tank. Now connect the power cable. This product has a magnetic connector, so connecting is easy. There is only one switch, so you cannot miss it. It is on the other side of the power socket. Pushing it once will turn the unit on with 2 LED lights on. 2 LED means high power mode for shorter operating time. Push one more time, and 2 LED becomes 1 LED, and it operates in economy mode for longer operation. To turn the unit off, simply push one more time. On, economy mode, off. This is where you place the aroma pot for using with aroma oil. The small cup in the middle is where you put the aroma oil. Do not put the oil in the main unit. +-0, their product design defines the direction of the future appliances. This video is created by compact-impact.com.